Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually increase your FPS on Wuthering Waves. That's a very easy tutorial, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Wuthering Waves game. As you can see right here, I'm inside the game, but in the standard settings of the game, there's a maximum amount of FPS you can get. Now, most likely it's capped for your game, so I'm going to show you how to unlock your FPS in a straightforward setting. Now, simply press escape. Now this will open up the terminal, as you can see right here. Now from out the terminal we go to the right corner in our button of our screen where the settings cog wheel appear. Now here we have a load of settings to choose from. What we want is the picture settings right here. Now here we have the basic settings, and here we have the frame rate. Now make sure to put this graphics quality on advanced so you can change the custom settings. Now from here we go down to the frame rate, and as you can see I can't change it to higher than 60 FPS. Now what we want to look for is scroll all the way down till you find the VSync right here. Now as you can see my VSync is turned on. Now make sure that this is turned off. Now as you can see the 60 FPS is still limited, but the VSync allows it to run on the maximum amount of FPS. So if you still aren't getting 60 FPS, make sure to turn off the VSync so your game runs in the maximum amount of potential your PC. Now, if this tutorials help you in any kind of way, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. I would highly appreciate it, and thanks for watching.